everyone from the Elizabeth Casey Show. With the holidays right around the corner, we have a great super chef to help you jumpstart your menu planning for all occasions. Here to help is Chef Tregaye, Food Network star and host of the Tregaye's of Oprah Winfrey Network. Thanks so much for joining us. Chef, what is your secret for a great holiday meal or patty?
You know what, whether it's on my show, Tregaye's Way, or I'm at home with friends and family, preparation. You should always prepare the week before, for sure, right? I mean, the day before, 2 days before. Never try to just wake up in the morning and cook Thanksgiving on Thanksgiving.
Absolutely. And what is something to put on the menu that will keep your guests coming back for more?
Oh, this is a good one. Intimates goes good with people, especially during the holiday season, okay? Intimates goes great with people. Holidays equal perfect time to indulge in sweetness, and Intimates has you covered. Their seasonal baked goods can be used to create a variety of festive desserts, including this trifle layer and seasonal fruit. I mean, look at it. It looks amazing. And Intimates rich frosted donuts, Pop-'em glazed donut holes, and powdered poppets. Or you can try the Baker's Delight crumb cakes topped with whipped cream for an effortless treat with over 100 baked goods to choose from. The opportunities are endless.
Absolutely, looks delicious. And please recommend a beverage to complement a holiday feast. That is always nice.
Yes, absolutely. Now, we always do the holiday toast, right, around the house, but sometimes the kids want to get involved. Sometimes our non-alcoholic drinker wants to get involved. So that's where Welch's comes in, because I love a good mocktail that all my guests can enjoy. And my secret weapon is Welch's non-alcoholic sparkling juices. You can take your celebration from special to sparkling with these crisp and refreshing drinks, like this pomegranate mocktail, right? It includes the white grape juice, the Welch's 100% orange juice, pomegranate juice, and fresh lime. Now, Welch's sparkling juices come in 6 different flavors, and they're all great options for the holidays, made with real fruit juice, and you can make the occasions pop with flavor. I absolutely like Welch's. Is going to be my go-to.
Wow, it looks fantastic. And what a good way to relieve the stress during the holidays.
Oh my goodness, Elizabeth. One year I was so stressed out because it was the holidays and my entire refrigerator went out. Could you imagine my stress? I was through the roof, but this year I am living stress-free with my Dia. All right. It's a stress-free situation. Now I'm celebrating because, there's a standard depth French door, right? And it's available only at Lowe's. Now, this is a boasting 29.3 cubic feet. It's your ultimate holiday helper, making room for all of your festive favorites, from your turkey to your pie. Then it has a click and glide door bin that accommodates for bottles without reshuffling. And then they have a dual ice maker and freezer drawer that holds up to 8 pounds of ice daily. Now, I don't know about you, but that's a game changer, because every holiday party, it seems like the ice is the one thing we always forget. Well, now you got 8 pounds sitting at your every beck and call.
Absolutely. I mean, obviously the ice is right there, right? It makes it convenient.
Yes.
Any other suggestions that you have that for this holiday season?
For sure. I really also like to take like my veggies. When you guys are creating like these vegetable dishes, don't throw your scraps away. Fill them up in a bag, and then you can freeze those vegetables until it's filled up. And then you can take those scraps and pour them in a pot with some water and some spices, and then boil it. Once you boil it, drain the liquid, and the liquid that's left behind is your vegetable stock. This way, you're saving yourself a little money, you're saving yourself a little time, and you made a delicious stock.
And that is a really good idea. Finally, where can we go for more information, awesome tips like this?
For more information, you can head over to tipsontv.com.
Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.
Thank you.